Southeast Texas welcomed tremendous success in 2015. With expansion of existing business and new investment choosing our region, our infrastructure improvements and business-friendly environment makes Southeast Texas the ideal location to grow commerce. Our ideal location, with access to 3 ports, 3 rail systems, a regional airport, interstate highways, and a pipeline infrastructure, are among the reasons liquefied natural gas exporters have shown so much interest in Southeast Texas. Cheniere's Sabine Pass Liquefaction Facility, Golden Pass LNG, and Sempra LNG have together made capital commitments of $38 billion. In 2015, Total Petrochemicals announced a nearly $2 billion steam cracker to produce ethylene, the primary building block of most plastics. Phillips 66 terminal in Nederland is poised for a $400 million expansion to increase storage capacity, more pipeline connections, and enhance the terminal's infrastructure. Additionally, Air Liquide recently broke ground on a new air separation unit to primarily serve nat gasoline, which is expected to start production in 2016. Jefferson Energy at the Port of Beaumont in Orange continues to develop, along with expansions totaling $90 million at International Paper and Clarin in Orange. Huntsman's Port Neches investment of $125 million makes them the largest manufacturer of ethylene oxide in the United States. Invista Sabine River Works in Orange will retain 500 employees and improve existing equipment and facilities through a $225 million Texas Enterprise Zone project. Rise Renewables, a textile manufacturer, recently announced plans to locate a $200 million 500-job facility at the Port of Port Arthur. Other new investment includes LaPointe Energy in Orange, a rail car cleaning and crude transloading facility, and the Delphin Liquefied Natural Gas Deepwater Port, situated 50 miles offshore between Southeast Texas and Louisiana. Nearly $3 billion in capital investment was recognized in the last year, creating 800 jobs. As a result of significant job creation due to industrial and manufacturing growth, new healthcare, retail, and commercial establishments are taking advantage of our strong local economy. Access to medical care has improved in 2015 with the opening of new emergency and urgent care centers throughout the Golden Triangle. Christus St. Elizabeth announced plans for a new outpatient facility on Highway 365 in Port Arthur. And Baptist Hospitals of Southeast Texas is now offering 3D mammography with low-dose radiation at the Dolphin Women's Center. The Medical Center of Southeast Texas's acquisition of Victory Medical Center on Dowling and Altus's construction of the first inpatient unit hospice in Beaumont provide services to individuals at all levels of health. 2015 welcomed a multitude of new eateries such as Jay Wilson's, Jerry Nelson's Hill Country Kitchen, Chipotle, and Firehouse Subs, to name a few. Southeast Texans welcome the opening of the new H-E-B on College Street in Beaumont, Goodpack, GHX, and Southern Tire Mart locations on Cardinal Drive, and a new Goodwill location to serve Mid-County, in addition to many more. Passenger occupancy rates at the Jack Brooks Regional Airport are on the rise, and American Airlines is committed to the Southeast Texas market. If you're still flying out of Houston, you don't know Jack. Plans are ongoing to develop the property located at the entrance of the airport as a retail and commercial center. Opening of the Neches River Wheelhouse has ignited a movement to further develop the waterfront property in Port Neches. Funds have been secured to remove old infrastructure currently in place, allowing for commercial and retail growth. In addition to announced investment, the Regional Economic Development Initiative is pursuing $10 billion in capital investment, with the potential to create 4,000 jobs. Industry prospects include manufacturing, green energy, midstream applications, and marine services. Legislatively, Southeast Texas made significant gains in 2015. Texas Windstorm Insurance garnered support in both the Texas House and Senate to change its funding structure and give coastal Texans more representation. We closely watch the Environmental Protection Agency's discussion regarding our air quality standards and are pleased that we will remain an attainment area. Still ongoing and important to many small business exporters throughout the region is the Export-Import Bank. The bank helps sustain tens of thousands of manufacturing jobs, many here in Southeast Texas. Maintaining infrastructure is vital to economic growth. With passage, Proposition 7 will dedicate portions of revenue from state and motor vehicle taxes to the State Highway Fund. Several transportation projects impacting Southeast Texas are already underway. The Center for Innovation, Commercialization, and Entrepreneurship at Lamar University broke ground in 2015. The collaboration between the business community and Lamar University is developing new solutions to overcome real-world challenges. 2016 is sure to bring its own opportunities and challenges as we diversify our economy and continue to support growing industry and establishing new markets. For more information on the Southeast Texas Economic Development Foundation or its services, contact our office or visit us online.